your fire and let's get into it. What's good, Cash family? Back at you with another transformation, another banger. Today, my client blessed 2 times. We're gonna give him a fresh start and a new barber. Heading in first, we're gonna pick out the situation. And stay locked in with me, Cash family. Today's video may be just a tad bit longer, but it's very informational. And as always, you know I got a brand new banger for you. Feature always going to be dropped in every single video. I need you guys to start leaving me some commentary. Tell me what you think. Please plug in, cash out. And as you can see, we're going in using our Stylecraft Rogue trimmer to scope the situation. Once again, we are artists when we get on this canvas. Now we're sculpting. This is now we're chiseling, we're chipping away. Real artistry, real work, real motion. Let's get into it. As you can see, while I'm sculpting, I'm still very light with the touch of the clipper, and I'm almost as if I'm flicking out after I go across it. I'm just staying real light. I'm keeping everything real level. Once you become a barber and once you do these kind of things multiple times, you begin to get better and better at it. Some people use scissors. I'm just more comfortable using my clipper. We're slowly but surely building in that microphone effect. And don't worry, it might look old school like a 70s fro, some knockout or whatever you thinking, knockout boxing, but that's because we ain't put the flair on it yet. That's because we ain't hit it with the sponge and do the do. Pay attention, lock in. This is sculpting, making sure everything is even, and then we're gonna cash them out. Now I know what you guys are thinking. You probably like, damn, Cash, you picking the hell out of his head. But I kind of had no choice, and I forewarned and asked my client, could I pick his hair harder so that we could move through this cut a little bit, because he had locks at first, so it was still some naps and things up in there. Now that we have picked the hair out, exposing any stragglers, we're gonna go back in with our Stylecraft Rogue trimmer, cutting down any opposition in the way. And like always, this is a Gilly beat production, and Gilly made the beat, so with some heat, boy. And it really wouldn't be a fresh start for 2 times if I didn't sick my baddest bee on them. Trim Misha, my wall cordless detailer, moving in with her to make our first guidelines for this taper. Next, I'm heading in with the Pissed Off Barber trimmer, no guard, level fully open, going up about 1/2 inch, securing our next guideline. With the slight hand switching to the lever fully closed, knocking out that bottom guideline, getting ready to move in with our 1 guard, lever fully closed, going up 1/2 inch, securing the situation. Stepping away to assess the situation, coming back with our 3 guard, lever fully closed, flick out motion, debulking the situation, so I could come back in with that 2 guard and play in that area in between the 1 and the 3 and cash it out. Back in with our 0.5 and or 0 guard to flick out that last guideline, cashing them out, creating a blurry blend. And always remember, Cash family, stay consistent, and like the sensei say, brush one, fade one. Shout out to the Beam team. Let's get back to it. Do I even gotta tell you? What we do to one side, you know we gotta do to the other. Now let's get to it. Always remember, steady motion, steady strokes, fresh one and fade one. Today's client, he's truly built different. Actually, he's truly blessed. In fact, he's blessed 2 times. Today's new feature comes from blessed 2 times. Fresh start, let's lock in and let's rock out.
Fresh start, I just got a new car. Fresh start, I just got a new car. Fresh start, I just got a new car. Fresh start, I just got a new ball. Same Bible, read it like a new novel. Same battles, conquering my new scar. I ain't trying to chase it, it ain't on my time. I can't let no hater come and take me out my spot. I'ma keep on praising while they sit back and they watch. I'ma keep the faith, they ain't believe, now I'm at the top. Say hitters, I pray with them in the field with them. They hated on me, same reason I don't deal with them. They prayed on me, same reason I don't heal with them. The love that I got, same reason I'm still with them. I was rapping by you slanging out them birds. I was in that track spot, really paying for them curves. I was in that work spot that I be in and I serve. God with me for real, but you don't know my curves. And I made it.
Same steps, same motion. Let's lock in.
Step forward, I take it. I made a promise way back and there ain't no way I break it. I just hope that you remember me. Praying with no hands, I hope you feeling me. Praying in advance for my family. Had to take a chance, this is my destiny. Fresh start, I just got a new car. Fresh start, I just got a new ball. Same Bible, read it like a new novel. Same battles, conquering my new scar. I ain't trying to chase it if it ain't on my time. I can't let no hater come and take me out my spot. I'ma keep on praising while they sit back and they watch. I'ma keep the faith, they ain't believe, now I'm at the top. Yeah, fresh start. Yeah, got a fresh start. Fresh start, I just got a new car. Fresh start, I just got a new ball. Got a fresh start. Fresh start, had to take my check, it in my fresh start.
Here I am getting ready to prep the hairline for this crispy cash lineup. And that was blessed 2 times with the banger fresh start. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna run that shit back again. But let's get back to the cut.
Gilly made the beat so it's some heat, boy.
Now I'm using my Remington blow dryer to lock in the hairspray. Now we getting ready to move in with Tremisha and set the record straight. Starting center mass, moving to the left and to the right corners. Then we're gonna get in with that vertical bar work. Always, I do my best to stay away from light corners, but I would say I'm gonna learn how to maneuver around those areas a tad bit better, because sometimes I feel I could get those areas just a little bit cleaner, a little bit more even. Moving around to that neck with Tremisha, but remember, she a biter. So you have to tap lightly, especially when you got a 0 gap. Flip Tremisha around and get her ready to do some cleanup so we can add the finishing touches on this fresh start and this cash blend. And here I am using my slime green electric shaver. I think I'm gonna call this one the Green Goblin. Definitely doing the work. Ooh-ah, ooh-ah. And you know I'm back again with the sword work like the Wu-Tang Clan. I got my katana out. I got my blade ready holding at a 45-degree angle, stretching the skin, applying that pressure. I'm telling you, that swordsman work gonna do me justice every single time. Now we're gonna get ready to get into that stash and clean them up, continuing the same processes that I do on one side of the stash to the other side of the stash. Let's get it. And again, always be cautious if you have a trimmer that like to cut up like Tramisha, especially if you got them 0 gap. Be cautious. And with that being said, as you can see, I moved back to the Pissed Off Barber Slime Green Trimmer because it's way more friendly to any kind of facial hair. You might have to tap a little bit more, but you do not have to worry about cutting the clients or making them sore.
Gilly made the beat with some heat.
As you can see, something real proper cash like. This blend, this cut, this taper is coming together. Cleaning that neck area up with our Green Goblin electric shaver. Like always, I'ma stand 10 toes down behind whatever I'm doing, so I'm stepping in with my 10 Nation color enhancement spray, adding that extra work to it. Then I'm gonna back that up with my hair fibers, adding a more natural, hairy look to the enhancements. Spinning the block with Tramisha, cleaning up any last stragglers. And this me doing my little Kodak bop, my little dance I do when I know I done cash some shit out. You feel me? Misting over the enhancements with my Got To Be Glued hairspray, locking everything in. And absolutely, yes, it does sting. And as you can see, finally got that fresh start. Now let me run this banger back for you one more time. Blessed 2 times. Fresh start. Let's rock out.
Fresh start, I just got a new car. Fresh start, I just got a new car. Fresh start, I just got a new car. Fresh start, I just got a new ball. Same Bible, read it like a new novel. Same battles, conquering my new scar. I ain't trying to chase it if they ain't on my time. I can't let no hater come and take me out my spot. I'ma keep on praising while they sit back and they watch.
Here I am, applying foam and mousse so I could go back in with that sponge and cash them out. Continue to rock out.
Same reason I don't deal with them. They prayed on me, same reason I don't heal with them. The love that I got, same reason I'm still with them. While you was rapping about how you slanging out them birds, I was in that track spot really playing for them curves. I was in that work spot that I be in and I serve. God with me for real, but you don't know my curves. And I made it. Demons on my back, but I shake them. It's a little bit, but a step forward, I take it. I made a promise way back and there ain't no way I break it.
Coming back with Remy the blow dryer, using her to lock in the curl.
You feeling me? Praying in advance for my family. Had to take a chance, this is my destiny. Fresh start, I just got a new car. Fresh start, I just got a new ball. Same Bible, read it like a new novel. Same battles, conquering my new scar. I ain't trying to chase it if it ain't on my time. I can't let no hater come and take me out my spot. I'ma keep on
You too, this is the cut. a fresh start, and you know we cashed them out. Like, share, and subscribe, and come see your boy again.
Yeah, fresh start. Yeah, got a fresh start. Fresh start. Fresh start. I just got a new car. Yeah, fresh start. I just got a new ball. Got a fresh start. Fresh start. Had to take my check, it in my fresh start.